Hello? Hello, everybody. Hi, Ella. Hi, Ting Ting. This is Peras. And this is Pepino. Ito ang aking dinner. Hmm. Delicious. Pepino. Eat pepino every day. Bago mo kainin, ilagay mo sa ice mo. Ice. Then to your cheek. Then, you bite. Mm. Delicious. Ito ang diet. Kaya kung gusto niyo yung mga yayat dyan, kainin niyo to. Di ba dyan? Oh. Hello! And eat pepino every day. Bye-bye! Babu!